Ever wondered what the first thing you should do before you start doing keyword research is? It all begins with understanding your target audience and their search behavior. Having a clear goal for your keyword research is vital. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to SEO. So, what are some things you should do before diving into keyword research? Well, first, clearly define your target audience. Next, understand their needs, wants, and pain points. This will guide you in selecting relevant keywords that resonate with them. Lastly, set clear goals for your keyword research. What do you want to achieve? More website traffic? Higher conversion rates? By defining your goals, you can create a more effective SEO strategy. These steps will not only make your keyword research more effective, but also save you time in the long run. Ready to take the first step in your keyword research journey? Applying the insights we've shared can set you off to a great start. Authority Solutions offers SEO services, a valuable partner in this venture. Take the first step today and watch your SEO efforts pay off.